Identify C in the following series of reactions. The given compound is an unsaturated aldehyde. And on the arrow we have sodium borohydrate. Unsaturated aldehyde is treated with sodium borohydrate. Sodium borohydrate is a reducing agent. Sodium borohydrate and lithium aluminum hydrate, these two are very powerful reducing agents, but they reduce only carbon oxygen double bond but not carbon carbon double bond. So let us see the reaction here. This is the given compound. This compound is treated with sodium borohydrate. Sodium borohydrate reduces carbon oxygen double bond but not carbon carbon double bond. Aldehyde will get reduced to alcohol in the presence of sodium borohydrate. So what will I get here? CH3CH double bond CH, CH2OH. Carbon carbon double bond is not affected by sodium borohydrate. That we have to learn here. Now this compound is compound A. This compound A is treated with HCl and ZnCl2. A mixture of concentrated HCl and zinc chloride is called Lucas reagent. When alcohols are treated with Lucas reagent, OH group will be replaced by Cl. So what will I get here? This is compound B in the given equation. This compound is now treated with KCN followed by hydrolysis. We know when alkyl halide is treated with KCN, Cl will be replaced by Cn. So what will I get here? CH3CH double bond CH, CH2 and Cl will be replaced by Cn. This on hydrolysis. When cyanide is hydrolyzed, you will get carboxylic acids. So this is the compound obtained, final compound obtained here. So what is in the among the given options, this option is there is option B. So your answer is B. So what we learnt in this equation is sodium borohydrate and lithium aluminum hydrate are very powerful reducing agents which reduce carbon oxygen double bond but not carbon carbon double bond.